Hello everyone, welcome to our channel BioBook. Today I am here with a simple and very interesting and important topic, that is central dogma of molecular biology. Actually this topic is most important topic, and the entire chapter molecular biology, it depends upon this concept only, right? So let us see. So this central dogma of molecular biology was proposed by Francis Crick, right? So what is the meaning of this hypothesis? We know that DNA is a double helical structure, and it is made up of two strands, that it is also called as two polynucleotide strands, right? And that DNA actually undergoes replication and it forms its own copies. Okay, the process of DNA replication will be takes place in particular stage in cell, each and every cell, and that is nothing but interphase, right? In interphase again we divided into G1 phase, S phase and G2 phase. In S phase particularly this DNA replication takes place, and for the process of DNA replication one enzyme is required, and the name of the enzyme is DNA dependent DNA polymerase. Okay, right. And after that this DNA it undergoes transcription and forms mRNA. So the formation of mRNA from DNA is known as transcription. Okay, it occurs both in prokaryotes and eukaryotes, but a few changes are there. We will discuss more about transcription in prokaryotes and eukaryotes in next classes. Okay, so anyhow, the formation of RNA from DNA is known as transcription, and here this is the enzyme DNA dependent RNA polymerase is the enzyme which helps in this process of transcription, right? And after that RNA, this RNA translated into protein. Okay, so the formation of protein from RNA is known as translation. Okay, so in this translation, this is also nothing but we can also call it as a process of protein synthesis. Okay, what is the meaning of protein? Polymer of amino acids, right? So many amino acids, they join together and protein will form. That protein chain, the formation of protein chain is known as here translation. For this translation actually mRNA, not only mRNA, tRNA, rRNA also involving in this process of translation. So finally from RNA to protein will form. So here what we learn here, the information which is present in DNA, it flows into RNA to protein, right? So this is called as central dogma of molecular biology proposed by Francis Crick.